Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn on or off turn on your click sounds on iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then scroll up and go to accessibilities. There you will find touch. Click on that and then scroll up. Here you can see on the top assistive touch. Click on that and then scroll up and you will see over here this option over here, pointer devices. In this you will see the fourth option over here, sound on clicks. Once you click on that toggle, it's going to be turned on, and once you click on anything like any on the display, it's going to be comes in the sound, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.